Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Predictor. If you've been looking for a simple way to start making money online without a huge investment, then you're in the right place. Because in this video, we're going deep into the Teemdrop Dropshipping Guide, one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to start an online business in 2026 and beyond. So grab your notepad because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, what to sell, and how to start making money online with Teemdrop even if you've never sold anything before. Now let's talk about what Teemdrop actually is. Teemdrop is a print-on-demand and dropshipping platform that connects creators, sellers, and suppliers. Basically, it lets you create your own custom products, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, or any trendy merch, without needing to buy inventory. You don't need to pack, ship, or even touch the products. All you do is design, list, and promote. Teemdrop handles the rest. That's why it's such a great business model for beginners. No warehouse, no upfront costs, no risk of unsold products. Just your creativity and the power of the internet. When a customer places an order through your store, Teemdrop automatically fulfills it, ships it, and you keep the profit difference between your sale price and the base cost. It's that simple, but let's make it more real. Imagine this. You upload a cool motivational t-shirt design on Teemdrop. You connect your Teemdrop account to your Shopify or Etsy store. You set your price at $29.99, while Teemdrop's base cost is $12. When someone buys your shirt, Teemdrop prints it and ships it straight to the customer. You didn't handle any product, but you made a $17 profit. Multiply that by 10, 50, or 100 sales per week, and you're looking at real income from your phone or laptop. Now, here's the secret that separates successful sellers from those who give up. It's all about finding the right niche. Don't just make random designs or sell random products. Choose a niche that people are passionate about, something like pets, fitness, gaming, travel, positive quotes, or even funny relatable memes. The stronger the emotional connection, the easier it is to sell. Think about it. People don't just buy t-shirts. They buy identity. They buy what represents them. A gamer wants to wear a shirt that shows their love for gaming. A fitness lover wants a quote that motivates them. So before you design, think about who you're selling to and what message they want to wear or display. Once you've picked your niche, head over to Teemdrop and create an account. The sign-up process is super simple and free. Then you'll land in your dashboard where you can browse different product options, from apparel and accessories to home decor and gadgets. Teemdrop gives you mock-up tools, so you can easily upload your design and preview how it'll look on different products. You don't need Photoshop or fancy editing skills. Next, connect your Teemdrop store to your preferred e-commerce platform. If you're using Shopify, it's as easy as installing the Teemdrop app and syncing your products. If you prefer Etsy or eBay, Teemdrop also integrates with them. The best part, you can manage everything in one place: prices, orders, profits, and analytics, without getting lost in tech stuff. Now, let's talk about designs. Don't worry if you're not a designer. There are so many easy ways to create amazing designs for your Teemdrop store. You can use free tools like Canva or Figma, or even buy ready-to-use designs from sites like Creative Market or Etsy itself. If you want to stand out, try combining simple text-based designs with trending styles, minimalist fonts, bold quotes, or cute illustrations. You don't need complex art to sell. Sometimes, simple sells best. Here's a pro tip. Follow trends. Search on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest for popular topics or viral aesthetics. The internet moves fast, and if you can catch a trend early, your product can go viral too. For example, if a trending quote or meme appears online, quickly make a t-shirt version on Teemdrop, upload it, and promote it. Timing can make you hundreds of dollars overnight. Now that your store looks great and your products are live, it's time to bring traffic, because no traffic means no sales. The best free way to get traffic right now is through social media. Create short-form videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels showcasing your products in real life. Don't just post product photos, show lifestyle content. Show people using your mug while working, or wearing your t-shirt at the gym. Storytelling sells. You can even use Teemdrop's mock-up generator to make realistic product videos without buying anything. Add trending sounds, use catchy captions, and keep your videos under 15 seconds. Consistency is key. The more content you post, the higher your chances of getting noticed. If you have a small budget, try running paid ads on TikTok or Facebook. Teemdrop integrates perfectly for tracking conversions, so you can easily see which designs are performing best. Start small, like $10 a day, and test which products get more clicks or sales. Once you find a winner, scale it up. Another smart move is to build an email list or offer discounts to returning customers. Platforms like Shopify allow you to collect emails and send promotional codes or new design drops. Remember, your goal isn't just one-time sales, it's to build a brand that people come back to. Speaking of branding, let's talk about how to make your Teemdrop store look professional. Your store design matters more than you think. Use high-quality product images, add detailed descriptions, and keep your website clean and easy to navigate. Make sure your brand name and logo feel trustworthy. People should immediately feel like they're shopping from a real brand, not just a random store. Your About Us section should tell a story: who you are, what your brand represents, and why you started. This creates emotional trust. For example, if your brand focuses on positivity, explain how you want to spread motivation through your designs. Little details like this can increase conversion rates significantly. Now, let's talk about pricing strategy. You need to balance between making profit and staying competitive. Check what similar sellers are charging for similar products. Usually, a profit margin of 30% to 50% works best. So if a hoodie costs you $20 on Teemdrop, you can sell it for $39.99 or $44.99. You can also use psychological pricing like $24.99 instead of $25, it just looks more appealing. One of the coolest things about Teemdrop is that you can expand your product catalog fast. Once you have one winning design, you can apply it across multiple products: t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, mugs, phone cases, posters, all automatically synced. This multiplies your income without any extra effort. Another tip: analyze your store data. Teemdrop gives you insights into what's selling, where your traffic is coming from, and which designs get the most attention. Use this information to double down on what works and cut what doesn't. The most successful dropshippers are data-driven. They don't guess, they test, learn, and scale. You should also pay attention to customer service. Even though Teemdrop handles fulfillment, your buyers might reach out to you directly. Always respond politely and quickly. A happy customer is more likely to leave a positive review and even share your products with friends. Those reviews are gold for your business. Now, let's address one common question: how much money can you really make with Teemdrop Dropshipping? The honest answer: it depends on your consistency, creativity, and marketing. Some sellers make a few $100s per month, while others earn thousands. The beauty of Teemdrop is that once your designs are uploaded and selling, your income becomes semi-passive. You can literally make money while you sleep because Teemdrop takes care of production and shipping. If you want to turn this into a full-time business, treat it seriously. Set goals, test new designs weekly, analyze your results, and keep improving your brand. It might take a few weeks to get your first sale, but once the momentum starts, it snowballs. Also, don't be afraid to collaborate. Partner with small influencers in your niche. Offer them free products or a small commission to promote your designs. Influencer marketing can bring massive exposure without breaking your budget. And finally, keep learning. The world of e-commerce changes fast. Stay updated with trends, watch tutorials, and learn about digital marketing. The more you understand your audience, the more your Teemdrop business will grow. To wrap up, Teemdrop Dropshipping is one of the simplest, most scalable ways to start an online business in 2026. You don't need inventory, shipping knowledge, or a big budget. All you need is a creative mindset, consistency, and the willingness to learn. Start with one product, one design, and one store. Build from there. So, if you've been dreaming of financial freedom, or you just want to make some extra income online, Teemdrop gives you a real opportunity to do it, starting today. Go to teemdrop.com, sign up for free, and start building your brand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Stock Predictor, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on online business, investing, and financial freedom. Leave a comment below if you want a step-by-step Teemdrop store setup tutorial. I might make that my next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, success online isn't about luck, it's about taking action. So stop scrolling, start building, and I'll see you in the next video.